Imagine waking up to find an extra $100 in your account every single day. What would you do with it? Pay off a bill? Save up for a trip? Now, what if I told you this wasn't some far-off dream? It's completely possible, and you don't need a computer science degree, a fancy office, or years of experience. Stick with me, and I'll share 10 proven methods to make that happen using AI tools you can start using today. It's a frustrating statistic. Over 60% of people who start a side hustle give up before they even make a single dollar. Why is that? It's usually because they get trapped chasing flashy, complicated ideas that take months or even years to pay off. We're not doing that here. Today, we're completely flipping the script. Every single method I'm about to share has a direct, straightforward path to earning that crisp $100 bill, often within 24 hours or less. Let's jump right in. First up, AI-powered affiliate marketing. Instead of promoting generic items, choose a niche that offers quick solutions. Think budget software or ergonomic gear for home offices. Ask ChatGPT for low-competition, commercial intent keywords for your niche. These are terms people use when they're ready to buy. Then have the AI generate a 600-word blog post, a 5-slide Instagram carousel, and a 30-second reel script. Post everything, and make sure each piece of content links to one affiliate product. A single sale of a $67 item with a 50% commission nets you $33.50. 3 sales and you've hit your daily goal. The process is repeatable, so you can do it all over again tomorrow. Next, AI-assisted freelance writing. On Fiverr or Upwork, search for blog post and filter for under 24-hour delivery. Clients pay a premium for speed, with gigs often priced from $40 to $120. Once you land a job, use Jasper to create a detailed outline. Let ChatGPT write the content and use Grammarly for a final polish. A 1,000-word article that might take hours can be done in under 20 minutes. Deliver 4 short articles at just $30 each, and you're over your goal. Clients love fast turnarounds and often leave tips when you deliver early, so you could get paid before you even call it a day. If you're creative, try selling AI-generated art. Tools like MidJourney create stunning, high-resolution images perfect for printing. Be specific with your prompts. Instead of cat, try retro sunset vaporwave axolotl. Upscale your favorite image and upload it to a print-on-demand site like Redbubble. Tag it with descriptive long-tail keywords people might actually search for. Set your profit margin. Even $3.50 for a sticker adds up. When someone buys, Redbubble handles everything from printing to shipping. And you get paid. No inventory, no hassle. 10 sticker sales plus a couple t-shirt orders can easily pass $100. Best of all, that design stays active for years, earning passively. Short-form video is king, and AI makes it easy. Use CapCut's AI script generator to turn a news headline into a 45-second explainer video. Add an AI voiceover and drop in free B-roll footage from a site like Pexels. Post the video to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram with a catchy title. Your view-to-dollar ratio, or RPM, can sometimes hit $5. That means that with just 20,000 views, you could earn $100 in ad revenue. If a video gets popular and you land a single brand sponsorship on top of that, you could double or triple that amount instantly. This method offers huge value to local businesses. Owners of cafes, gyms, or salons are tired of answering the same questions over and over. You can solve this by building them a simple no-code chatbot using a platform like ManyChat. This bot can automatically answer questions about hours, provide booking links, and even offer coupon codes. You can charge a one-time setup fee of $350 plus a $50 monthly retainer for maintenance. Set up just 2 of these a week and you've cleared $700. Once you create your first bot, you can use it as a template, cloning it for new clients in under an hour. If you like making things more efficient, become an AI automation consultant using tools like Zapier or Make, which act as bridges between apps. You can create powerful workflows. You can offer a service connecting a client's website contact form to an AI-powered email responder. The AI analyzes each inquiry and sends a personalized reply instantly. businesses lose money on slow response times, so they'll gladly pay $1,500 for a workflow that saves their staff 10 hours a week. Close just one of these deals and you've pocketed a month's worth of income in a single afternoon. You don't just have to use AI, you can sell the instructions or prompts that you give it. Platforms like PromptBase, Gumroad, and Etsy are buzzing with prompt shops. A single well-crafted prompt for a coloring book page generator can sell for $9.99. People buy these to get a high-quality result without hours of trial and error. You can create 10 themed prompts like cute fantasy dragons or vintage muscle cars and bundle them together for $19.99. Selling just 5 bundles a day hits your goal. You can even use AI to write compelling descriptions for your prompts and create mock-ups for your listings. Then just sit back and watch the sales notifications come in. Build a digital asset with an AI-powered content website. The key is choosing a micro-niche, a very specific topic with a passionate audience, like 1930s Art Deco kitchen decor. Use a tool like Koala Writer to auto-generate an initial batch of 30 quality articles. Put Google AdSense on the site and aim for a $12 RPM, or revenue per 1,000 page views. Driving just 8,500 page views gets you over $100. Keep the site fresh with a few new AI articles weekly to grow your traffic and income. Later on, when you're ready for a change, you can sell the entire website on a marketing place like Flippa for 30 times its monthly profit, turning it into a huge payday. Here's another one for creatives, AI-powered print on demand. Combine an AI art generator like DALL with a service like Printify for instant merchandise. Target a specific profession with a witty design. For example, a neon-style mug that says Data Analyst Definition and has a funny description. Upload that design, apply it to a mug on Printify, and set your profit margin to $9.50. Pinterest is perfect for this, as users love discovering unique products. Use an AI scheduler like Tailwind to pin your designs consistently. Just 11 mug sales and you're at $104.50. Since Printify handles production and shipping, your only job is dreaming up cool AI designs. Okay, quick disclaimer. This method is advanced and carries significant risk. Start small and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With that said, you can connect a platform like TradingView to an AI signal bot that trades micro movements on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. These bots aim for small, consistent gains, not massive wins. For example, a 1% gain on a $3,000 trading account is $30. If the bot, guided by your risk management strategy, achieves that 3 times a day, you're at $90. The last 10 could come from a staking reward on leftover stablecoins. Again, this is crucial. Always use stop losses. Do your own research and please don't bet your rent money. Okay, we're through all 10 methods. If any of these sparked an idea or got you excited about the possibilities, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the algorithm share this video with someone else who could use an extra $100 in their pocket. And while you're at it, drop a comment below and let me know which tactic you plan to try first. You never know, your comment could be the inspiration for someone else's big breakthrough. So there you have it, 10 direct ways AI can help you make an extra $100 a day, starting now. Don't get overwhelmed. Just start with one method that feels easiest or most exciting. Get that first win under your belt, then add another tomorrow. By next week, you could have several automated income streams working for you. Remember, AI isn't a magic ATM, it's a powerful intern. You need to give it clear instructions and direction. But once you do, it will grind for you in the background while you focus on other things. Now, get out there and make that first Benjamin. Let the robots handle the heavy lifting.